Welcome aboard Vietnam Airlines flight HVN920, connecting the two beloved capitals of neighboring countries, Vientiane, Laos, and Hanoi, Vietnam. This afternoon, our aircraft departs from Hanoi International Airport, VLVT, in Vientiane. As the engines spool up, the aircraft accelerates smoothly down the runway and lifts off from an initial elevation of 267 meters above sea level. Turning gently toward the northeast, we leave behind the tranquil waters of the iconic Mekong River, embarking on a picturesque journey across the majestic mountain ranges of Indochina. Just about 20 minutes after takeoff, the flight reaches its cruising altitude of approximately 8,800 meters, or 29,000 feet. Here, high above the weather, the aircraft maintains a steady cruising speed. Inside the cabin, passengers can relax and enjoy the seamless service that reflects the warm hospitality of Vietnam. Looking out the window while flying over Giang Quang Province, you can admire the vast, untouched, and rugged landscapes of northern Laos. Soon afterward, our flight path crosses the magnificent Annamite Range, the grand natural mountain boundary that has stood for centuries as a timeless symbol connecting the peoples and cultures of Vietnam and Laos. After more than 30 minutes of smooth cruising above the sea of clouds, Flight HVN920 formally enters Vietnamese airspace over the lush, mountainous regions of Hoa Ben and Son La. Shortly after 2 p.m., the flight crew initiates the descent phase. Step by step, the aircraft leaves its high-altitude cruise, gliding gracefully down through successive layers of clouds from 7,000 meters to 5,000 meters and then down to 3,000 meters. As we approach the fertile Red River Delta, the aircraft performs a gentle, sweeping turn over the scenic Ba Vi and Pui Tho regions, perfectly aligning itself with the final approach path into Hanoi Bai International Airport. Beneath the wings, passengers are treated to the classic beauty of the Vietnamese countryside, vibrant green rice fields, the serpentine windings of the Day and Red Rivers, and the peaceful rural villages dotting the outskirts of Hanoi. Moments later, the landing gear touches down smoothly on the runway at Hanoi Bai International Airport, bringing a serene journey of over 500 kilometers to a successful close in under an hour. Thank you for joining us on this virtual flight with Vietnam Airlines. We hope you enjoyed the view, and we look forward to welcoming you aboard another journey very soon.